Hi, welcome to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate YouTube video script. Without much ado, let's get started. You make sure you have signed up for ChatGPT and go to their website chat.openai.com, which is the free versions. And when you sign up, then you can now use it to generate YouTube video. If you don't know how to sign up, check out the video shown below, and then you will see how you can actually sign up for ChatGPT. And once you are done with that, you are going to see this particular page where you can actually ask ChatGPT to generate YouTube video script for you. So I'm gonna make this an example. I want to generate a YouTube script, so I want to search this particular YouTube listicle videos, and then you will see how ChatGPT will do it for you. So I search for create a YouTube video. On the top 5 video editing software. Yes, this is a very popular topic on YouTube, and then I want ChatGPT to actually create this for me. When you do that, then you click on send, and then ChatGPT will begin to generate the YouTube script for you. In fact, it's not supposed to be create a YouTube video. It's supposed to search for create a YouTube script. But of course, you know, this ChatGPT is very advanced. It's going to understand what you are trying to say, and you could see is now generating the YouTube script from opening a shot of video editing time, as in it's going to tell you how you can actually do this thing, and it is very easy and straightforward. So this is ChatGPT generating YouTube video script without me making any research, and then you can use this to generate your own YouTube videos, upload it to your channel. You can use your own voice, or you use AI voice. Well, check out the next video on how you can actually use a very popular AI, and where you can on how you can convert this text into an audio. Like I said, you can use your voice and you can use an AI voice. So this is how to generate YouTube script using ChatGPT. If you love this video, consider to subscribe to this channel. If you want me to make more videos about ChatGPT, please do that in the comment section below. I'm going to see you in the next video.